Well, here we're looking at the Dow, and we do see a nice bounce off of this range. We talked about this on Friday, Sunday, and also Thursday, talking about the big potential move here that we felt we'd see a very dramatic move one way or another, very likely a bounce up into the 16,600 level. We did see that today. We hit 16,627 on the high, and then you could see it just really kind of pull back on the day, closing lower there, and really just right under that 16,600, and had a big bounce off of the range. We also talked about the potential for this to hold the 16,350, 16,360 level, and you could see that we did see the very, very close to that. It hit 16,333.78. So a very nice bounce off that range. But now we're starting to see, we're really in a point where your odds are starting to favor some sideways action, some maybe a little more follow through, but some potential for that weakness here, because you're seeing your reaction off that move. You have to see some significant follow through, and chances are we're going to maybe see still some hesitation coming in there. So unless we really break through that 16,750 level, I'm still very negative over here, because you're just seeing a reactionary move here. And if anything, you're as you move higher up, you have more likelihood of this to start to pull back a little bit. And that's where I'm kind of at with the Dow. Now, I understand that we're seeing this kind of make a nice little bounce, and it's had a very nice day. But keep in mind, it's only up 16 today. The prior day was nice, but when you look at it in the scheme of things, you're dropping from 17,100 to 16,300. That's not a big move back. You're seeing a 300-point move to the upside. That's not exactly huge. And a matter of fact, basically almost to the midpoint of this move, and we're seeing it stop just shy of that. And even that couldn't keep the rally today. So I really think that we're looking at a very difficult overall market that's starting to turn, I think, negative. Now, that could take a little bit of while to develop here, but I still think that this market is having a lot of trouble. Now, like I said, it's trying to rally, trying to do it. We'll see how it does, and if it can break through this 16,750. But I'm not a huge believer in the strength of this potential coming move to the bull side here.